Hopefully y'all can see me. All right, y'all, welcome back to another video, man. We doing something a little different today. So me and my guy Terry, man, we linked up. We was like, yo, we should do a raffle giveaway for the town, right? For the moms and dads that couldn't get a system for their kids. We did exactly that, man. So pretty much we did a raffle, started it yesterday, 28 spots for $20, non-profit. All we wanted to do was get the retail value for the console, and that's pretty much it. We didn't want to make no money off of it. I'm gonna show y'all. Raffle started yesterday. If y'all go on my Facebook, y'all know my Facebook, MoparMayne. Y'all go on my Facebook, y'all can see the raffle giveaway pretty much. There it goes. So there's it right there. There's the raffle. Let me click the original post. So there's the original post from my boy Terry, right? So the original post was 28 spots for $20 a piece, and pretty much once we got retail value for it, we were gonna give it away, right? So that's exactly what we doing. So we finally hit the 28 spots. I'm headed to his crib right now to do the raffle giveaway. Y'all gonna be able to see it live. We're gonna hopefully do it live on Instagram or Facebook or something. So we headed over there right now, y'all. So let me get my seatbelt on. We probably gonna drop it off. Do a personal drop off, take a couple pictures with the kids or whoever win, yada yada, and then hopefully that be all. So let's get going, y'all. Over there right now. Type snowing out today. Look, we ain't got no, we just not getting no real snow, man. No real snow, y'all. So pretty much that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much what we decided to do, man. Hopefully we just want to make a couple kids happy, man, that can't get these systems. So today is Monday. Monday through Saturday, we're gonna be hustling all week to try to get some more Series X's, Series S's, and PS5s to do more raffles to give away to as many families as we could. So me and him been on every release for every website. We're gonna try to get as many as possible. I'm also gonna try to get another additional five for the Hellcat owner group as well. So I know there's some dads and moms in there that also didn't get one for their kids. So if y'all see my post in the Hellcat forums, y'all obviously know it ain't no scam. I know a couple people thought I was scamming because I put a post up there, but they no scam. 100% retail. In the Hellcat forums, the only difference that you gotta pay is just your own shipping. So again, from today till Saturday, we're gonna be hustling all week trying to get more consoles for families. So, but I'm about to pull up to his crib. We're gonna do the raffle giveaway right there live, just so y'all can see it. And then we probably, hopefully, whoever win and answer the phone or answer the Facebook Messenger, and then we could drop it right off to him. Make it simple. Make it a 1, 2, 3 drop off. I'm gonna give y'all a heads up. AntOnline.com has been doing drops pretty much Monday through Friday every single day. One for I don't know, the times all vary. So they've been doing one drop pretty much one day a week for all three consoles. So that means the X, the S, and the PS5. They've been doing drops every single day. So AntOnline. Also, Newegg has been dropping systems as well. Amazon has been dropping systems. Costco's, BJ's, Sam's Club, they all been dropping systems. So if you got memberships to any of those, make sure y'all logged in. Don't camp the site. That's what's going wrong with a lot of people. They camping the site and waiting for it to pop up. That's how you get stuck in the gateway. So when they go live and then it just shut down pretty much, or you don't get a chance to click it because you stayed on the website and it didn't refresh to the point where you were able to see it yet before the other people got to it. So don't camp websites. Just when you hear that it go live, hurry up and get on it as fast as possible. This should be pretty dope, man. We looking out for a family, getting somebody one of these systems, hopefully making a kid happy. I know all the kids want the 5, but we didn't have our hands on the 5 just yet, so we got an X for now. And then, like I said, throughout the week, whatever we get, we're gonna be doing more raffles, more giveaways like that. All right, so we almost there, man. We almost there. We about to pull up to do this raffle. Get y'all a couple little downshifts. So big shout out to my bro Terry, man. That's just pretty much the best way we thought of doing it. Cause where we live, man. Our town's so small, so it's literally like impossible to get a console because people over here, man, they sleeping outside of Walmart starting at 9 o'clock the night before. So even though Walmart not doing no more Walmarts are doing walk-ins anymore. It's gonna be online order pickup only now. But prior to that, every single day, all of Walmart's people have been sleeping outside from 9 o'clock the night before. So it's been impossible to get one. And my feet is freezing too. What's going on? So I hope everybody having a blessed day, man. Positive day. I can't wait to bless somebody with this console, man. I've been holding on to it for a couple of days now, trying to get this raffle done. And like I said, once we get some consoles on hand, we will be doing more raffles locally, at least. I got my own giveaway going on the channel, so make sure y'all go watch that PS5 video, because that's my own giveaway. But this we're doing for local people only, so only in an upstate New York area. And if y'all wanna get in, hopefully on the next one, make sure y'all follow me on Facebook, man, at MoparMayne. I'm gonna put the link in right here so y'all can just click it and go to Facebook. Yo, I ordered some parts, bro, but they taking forever to get here. I don't know what's going on with my parts, bro. I'm about to head up this company again and see what's going on. I know they said they had 4 in stock, but I don't know what's going on. Y'all gonna see when they come in. I ordered that joint like, I wanna say a week ago, and it still hasn't shipped yet, so I don't know what's going on with that. But I can't wait for that. I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is until it come in, but I can't wait for that, man. I don't know why it's taking so long. All right, man, so we here, man. We about to head in the crib. Hopefully get this joint away. Well, ain't no hopefully, we definitely giving it away, so. Man, just let y'all see we ain't playing no games, man. All right, so I'm gonna hit y'all when we get in the crib. We gonna set up the little raffle. Matter of fact, let me show y'all just to let y'all know we ain't playing no games. Woo, look at that thing right there. About to get that bad boy away. Here got my 2 iPads that I still gotta get rid of as well. There that thing go. You already know what time it is, man. Let's see where bro at.
And we're gonna have us a winner.
Y'all ready? Here we go. Justine is the winner.
Justine, I think you watching too.
Is she watching?
You ain't even gotta send the Addy. You done bought mad merch, so we will be there shortly.
Here you go. Here you go. You welcome. You welcome. You. Just want to get a little picture and everything. No, you good.
My kids are in the house.
Oh, okay. Is it for your son or your daughter?
My 2 boys.
Your 2 boys. Okay, all right. Hopefully they enjoy it now. All right, have a good one. All right.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
It was meant for you to win.
That's dope, bro. She said she cried at everything, bro. But she said she was crying.
Oh, I didn't record this shit.
Oh, you did it?
Wow.
I got it. I can send it to you. I can send it to you.
You recorded it?
I recorded it.
Oh, okay,
I recorded it. Yeah, I can send it to you. That's dope.
That reaction was the illest.
Yeah, for real.
That's what I like.
That's crazy. So I got that. I got one more bundle coming in tomorrow. Hopefully, if they want to do it or not, we'll find out. We'll see, I guess. I know Sin was going crazy when you got that P5 though.
What?
Yo, nigga called me and was like, yo, guess who in line? I'm like, who? Nigga, I'm like, yo, he wasn't playing no games.
I put that nigga on for a chain. A nigga just hit me and said, bro, if you know any families in need, I got mad presents I could give away to a family.
Oh shit, that's what's up.
So one thing
like
lead, you know what I'm saying? One thing lead
to another. Yeah, for real. All right, Brody. I'll let you know when that bundle come in tomorrow.
All right, hopefully we get these motherfuckers to agree.
Yeah.
They're kind of salty, like you said. Right?
Yeah, I think they is. All right, bro. All right, yo, as y'all see, man, that's one family down right there, man. So hopefully, those are for her 2 boys. That we just gave that Xbox X away for us, 2 of her boys. So all she gotta do, man, for them, man, is grab them another controller for Christmas and they lit. They both could play that joint. We really gonna be focusing on PS5s this week because pretty much that's what all the kids want right now. I mean, I want one myself, so that's what we're really gonna focus on, these PS5. So within the next couple days, y'all might see another video of us dropping off a PS5 or something like that, doing a PS5 raffle. But if y'all want to get in one of these raffles and y'all local, man, make sure y'all go to my Facebook or Terry Facebook. I'm gonna put both our links in the description, so y'all can just follow us, because we're gonna be posting stuff continuously all day, even links where people or websites is dropping consoles, so y'all could get them yourself, because right now it's tough getting them, and it's the last week before Christmas, so we're gonna try to help y'all get these systems before Christmas. So but hopefully y'all like that video, man. More to come. I know I didn't get too much into it, but like I said, man, one family down, man. That was two young boys that wanted that Xbox. Two of her young kids, they got an Xbox Series X for Christmas, man. All she had to pay was $20. She only got one spot in that raffle of 28 people, and she won. So just goes to show, man, anybody got a chance, man, because there was some people that paid for 2 spots and they didn't win. So she paid for 1 spot, and she was like one of the first 5 people, and she ended up winning, man. Y'all seen the full spin wheel in the video and everything. So everything was nicely set up. All the names are spread out for the people who did too. They was fully spread out. There was no names next to each other for multiple tickets. I feel like we did that. I feel like the way we did it was the best we could do it, man. We set a time that we was gonna do the raffle. We went live with it, so it wasn't no picking and choosing. We wasn't doing none of that. And that's pretty much it, man. Hopefully y'all like this video, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Stay safe. Oh shoot. Dang, they almost crashed. My fault, y'all. I almost seen a crazy accident just now. But anyway, man, y'all already know what time it is. Stay safe, stay positive, stay motivated, baby. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man. We out, man. Peace.